And I'm supposed to do W06 quiz access chapter 3 and problem number 6. And this is an outline of what I'm supposed to resolve or talk about. There are about 5 questions here. And then if you go to where they are all explained, the first question is depreciation on the company's wind turbine equipment for the year is $7,000. To put this entry in the general journal, you have to select first you have to debit the depreciation expense equipment for the total of $7,000. And then you have to credit the accumulated depreciation equipment for $7,000 as well. And that results in the first question, because the first question is depreciation on the company's wind turbine equipment for the year is $7,000. So this is how you do the posting in the general ledger. You take the depreciation expense first and debit it, and then you do the accumulated depreciation, and then you credit it. The next question is prepaid insurance account for the solar panels had a 4,000 debit balance at December 31st before adjusting for the cost of an expired coverage. Analysis of prepaid insurance shows that $1,600 of unexpected insurance coverage remains at year end. So what you need to do is, since at the end of the period, $1,600 has still not been has not expired as a result of the insurance. So you minus 1,600 from 4,000, and then when you do that, what it gives to you is 2,400. So if you want to post it to the ledger, you're going to take insurance expense first and debit it for 2,400, and then you take prepaid insurance, I guess. Let's look for it somewhere. Prepaid insurance, and you credit it for 2,400 as well. So that solves question number 2. Question number 3 says the company received 9,000 cash in advance for sustainability consulting work. As of December 31st, 1/3 of the sustainability consulting work had been performed. 1/3 of 9,000 is 3,000. So in other words, you take you divide 9,000 by 3, and then it gives you what it's supposed to be 1/3, which is 3,000. So to post it in the general ledger, you are going to go to let's see, click on end revenue and debit it for $3,000, and then you're going to credit, let's see, service revenue. That's what you're going to credit service revenue for $3,000. That ends question number 3. And then question number 4, it says as of December 31st, 3,200 in wages expense for the organic produce workers has been incurred but not yet paid. Since 3,200 in wages has been incurred but not yet paid, to post that entry into the general ledger, let's say it's wages. So you look for wages expense and you debit it for that amount, $3,200. And then you then look for wages payable, and then you credit it for the same amount, $3,200. So that's solves problem number 4. And then number 5 says, as of December 31st, the company has earned but not yet recorded $600 of interest revenue from investment in socially responsible bonds. The interest revenue is expected to be received on January 12th. It doesn't matter when in the future you're supposed to pay it, and the posting in the general ledger will still be the same. So we first look for interest receivable, and then you debit it for that amount, $600. And then you now look for interest revenue, yes. And then you credit it for that amount and enter it. So that is how it is. That's how you solve that 5 questions.